Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys see by the title, we are doing another headband wig review. This here was sent to me from a seller on Amazon, of course, and I'm gonna have all the information in the description box down below if you guys want to purchase this wig. Before I show you guys the wig, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I also have an Instagram account, guys, if you want to follow me on there. So this is the box right here, and this is 100% virgin human hair, and they sent me an 18-inch. So this is the wig here. Also, we got a headband, a wig cap. Okay, so this is a deep wave headband wig, and like I said, they sent me an 18-inch human wig. So the cap size is medium 22.5. This is what the wig looks like here, and this is it here. Smell really good. Wow. So we have 4 combs, one on each side here, and we got one on the top and one on the bottom, and then we have the headband. So this is what the wig looks like. This is really pretty and long. Like, I really do like how it is. I think I want to comb it out, but let me just put my hand through it first. And this smells really good. I love the way it smells. It's like the first wig that I got, and it smells good pertaining headbands, because most of them smell really bad. Curly wigs, okay, not the regular ones. So this one smells really good, and the volume is just getting bigger and bigger. It looks so beautiful, and I don't even think I want to put water in this. I just like the way it looks. It just looks really full. Actually, I don't know, let's just see. Hopefully it's not that wild. It sheds, girl, hair sheds. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it sheds. So you guys see this side? So I bring back my camera back a little bit so you guys can see exactly what the wig looks like. I want you guys to see the full length of the wig, okay? And girl, this is hair, okay? She is beautiful. Very full. I don't even think I need to put water in this to tame it down. Usually I do, because it's like all over the place. But this one looks really nice. I actually love the natural curls. Very beautiful. Look. Ooh. I love her. She is beautiful. And I don't think, do you think I should put water in it? I don't even think so. So I am experiencing a few more shedding. I really do like it. It's very full. You really don't have to do anything to this wig, and that's one of the reasons I really love these type of wigs. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to put no hot comb in it. It's just 1 through 3. It's just, she is gorgeous. I love it, and I don't think I'll put water in it. Like, I know I keep saying that. I'm just trying to figure out if I should. I don't even think I'm gonna put water in this. I just love the way it just looks, and the curls, she's still there, girl. She's giving me life. what you guys think about this one? I actually like it. You guys see I didn't really do anything much to it. I just put my hand through it and that is it. I don't need to put water in it. And the smell, it smells really good. It smells like, smell clean. Okay, I like it. I think this is a great wig. It's beautiful. It actually worth the money, guys. Like, this is gorgeous. As you guys could see, like, it's really thick. Like, this is a lot of hair. I think I put too much of the hair in the front of my face and I'm seeing the tracks, so I'm just gonna bring it back a little bit so it will cover the tracks, because I took all the hair and put on the side. This wig will be in Amazon storefront, so if you want to purchase this wig, it will be there. And let me know what you guys think about this wig. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.